Elisa, something embarrassing happened to me yesterday.
Oh no, what happened?
I saw my neighbor in the elevator, just me and him. 10 seconds. Silence.
10 seconds of silence in an elevator? That's very long.
It felt like 10 hours, Elisa. I looked at the floor, he looked at the door, nobody said one word.
That's the elevator silence. Every single person on this planet knows that feeling.
I just stood there thinking, say something, anything, but my brain gave me nothing.
Your brain went on vacation.
My brain packed a bag and left the country.
Okay, but this is actually a very real problem. Many English learners feel exactly like you in that elevator.
Really?
Yes, they know English words, but when they need to just start a simple, friendly conversation, their brain goes on vacation too.
So today, we're fixing this.
Today, we're giving your brain a plane ticket back home.
Okay, let's do it. Welcome back, everyone, to our English channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Eliza. Today, we're talking about small talk, easy, friendly conversation.
The kind of talk that saves you from elevator silence forever.
Exactly. By the end of this video, you will have real phrases ready for any small talk moment.
The bus stop, the office, the coffee shop, even the elevator.
Especially the elevator.
Before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. It really helps us make more videos like this.
And tap that like button. It takes 2 seconds and it means a lot to us.
Okay, Eliza, let's rescue some elevators.
Let's do it.
So first, what is small talk exactly?
Small talk is short, easy, friendly conversation. Not deep, not serious.
It's like a warm-up before the real conversation.
Yes, good way to say it. A warm-up.
So instead of standing in silence, you say something simple.
Like a little door. You open the door with small talk, then the conversation can walk in.
I like that. A little door.
Let's start with the easiest phrase in the world.
Okay, everyone, repeat with us.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
And you can answer, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
See? Question, answer, question back. Like a little ball you throw back and forth.
A conversation ball.
Yes. Now imagine that elevator again, Mike.
Oh no, here we go.
Instead of silence, you say,
Hi, how are you?
and your neighbor says,
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
see? No more silence. No more brain vacation.
My brain is already coming home.
Next topic, the weather. This is the most famous small talk topic in English.
Especially in countries like the UK, people love talking about rain.
True. So, easy phrase. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Nice weather today, isn't it? Or if it's raining, wow, it's really raining today.
Or simply,
It's so cold today.
perfect. Let's practice a real example. Imagine we meet at a bus stop.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Perfect day for a walk.
I agree. I might walk home today instead of taking the bus.
See, everyone? That's real small talk. Simple, friendly, and easy.
And now you can use this exact phrase at your own bus stop. Try it this week and tell us in the comments if it worked.
Okay, now let's talk about asking someone about their day.
Very useful phrase. How was your day?
How was your day?
This works for friends, coworkers, even your neighbor.
And how do we answer?
It was good, thanks. Or it was busy but good.
It was busy but good.
Or it was a little tiring but okay.
Tiring means you feel very tired.
Exactly. Good explanation, Mike.
Thank you. I'm learning here too.
We all are. That's the fun part.
Okay, everyone watching, quick question for you. How was your day today? Try to answer with one simple English sentence in the comments.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. Mistakes are how your English grows. Next, let's talk about hobbies, another perfect small talk topic.
How do we ask about someone's hobby?
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
And you can answer, I like to read books, or I like to watch movies.
Or I like to cook.
Ooh, what do you cook, Mike?
I make really good pasta. Simple but delicious.
What about breakfast? Can you cook breakfast?
I can make toast.
Toast. Okay, that counts.
Thank you. What about you, Eliza? What's your hobby?
I like to dance, and I sing, but only in the shower.
The shower is a very popular concert hall.
Everyone is a superstar in the shower.
Okay, everyone, tell us your hobby in the comments. Try to write it in English.
Now let's talk about giving a compliment. This is a small talk superpower.
A compliment means saying something nice about someone.
For example, I like your shirt.
I like your shirt.
Or your English is really good.
Aw, thank you. That's a lovely compliment.
You're welcome. And how do we answer a compliment?
Easy. Just say thank you.
Yes, in some cultures, people say, no, it's not that good. But in English, a simple thank you is perfect.
Good cultural tip. Let's practice. Eliza, your English sounds really clear today.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. See everyone? That easy. Welcome back, everyone. Let's keep going. Next, let's learn how to keep a conversation going with a simple follow-up question.
It's a small question that continues the conversation instead of stopping it.
Give me an example.
If someone says, I like to cook, you can ask, oh really, what do you like to cook?
What do you like to cook?
Yes, one simple question keeps the conversation alive.
So instead of just saying, oh, nice, and stopping,
You ask one more small question. That's it.
let's practice. I say, I like to travel.
Oh really, where do you like to travel?
I love visiting the mountains.
See everyone? One follow-up question. The conversation keeps moving, like a bicycle.
A bicycle?
Yes, a conversation is like a bicycle. If you stop pedaling, it falls.
I like that. Keep pedaling, keep talking.
Exactly. Simple follow-up questions are your pedals.
Now, let's talk about something a little tricky. What if you don't understand what someone said?
Very common problem, especially for English learners.
Easy phrase. Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, sorry, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that means I didn't hear it clearly.
Right. It's a polite way to ask again.
And people are always happy to repeat. It's not embarrassing.
True. Everyone needs to ask this sometimes, even native speakers.
Especially in a noisy coffee shop.
Or a loud elevator.
Elevators aren't usually loud, Mike.
Mine is very loud. Loud silence.
Okay, moving on.
Let's also learn how to politely end a small talk conversation.
Great point. Conversations need a friendly ending, too.
Easy phrase. Well, it was nice talking to you.
Well, it was nice talking to you.
Or, I should get going, but it was great chatting with you.
That's a polite way to leave without being rude.
Right. You're not just walking away in silence.
No more silent walking away. We are done with silence today.
Let's practice a full goodbye. I'll start.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, it was really nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you too. Bye.
Bye.
See everyone? A warm, friendly ending. Not awkward at all.
Okay, now let's put everything together. The whole small talk conversation from start to finish.
Let's imagine we meet at a coffee shop.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Perfect for coffee outside.
I agree. So how was your day?
It was good. A little busy, but good. How about yours?
Pretty good too, thanks. Oh, by the way, I like your bag.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to cook, actually.
Oh, really? What do you like to cook?
Mostly pasta. Simple things.
That sounds delicious. Well, it was really nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
See everyone? A full, natural conversation. Greeting, weather, question, compliment, follow-up question, and a friendly goodbye.
No silence, no brain vacation, no awkward elevator moment.
Just a simple, warm, human conversation. Before we finish, let's slow down and look at a few useful words from today. This is our word tour.
First word, warm up. A warm up is something simple you do before the main thing.
Small talk is a warm-up before a real conversation.
Next word, tiring. Tiring means something makes you feel very tired.
My day was tiring, but good.
Next word, compliment. A compliment is a kind comment about someone.
I like your shirt is a compliment.
Next word, awkward. Awkward means uncomfortable or strange, like silence in an elevator.
That silence was so awkward.
And our last word, follow-up. A follow-up question is a small question that keeps a conversation going.
What do you like to cook is a follow-up question.
5 useful words: warm-up, tiring, compliment, awkward, and follow-up.
And 0 awkward elevator silences left, hopefully.
Now let's make a few simple sentences sound more natural. This is Say It Better.
First sentence, I don't know what to say to people.
A better way is, I get nervous starting conversations sometimes.
That sounds more natural and honest.
Next sentence, talking to strangers is scary.
Better version, small talk feels a little awkward for me at first.
That's clearer and more specific.
Next sentence, my English is bad.
Better version, I'm still building my confidence in English.
Much kinder to yourself and more accurate too.
Last sentence, I have nothing interesting to say.
Better version, I'm just getting more comfortable with small talk.
Same idea, but softer and more natural. These small changes make a big difference when you speak. Let's quickly review everything from today.
Hi, how are you?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
How is your day?
What do you like to do in your free time?
A compliment like, I like your shirt.
A follow-up question like, oh really, what do you like to cook?
And a friendly goodbye, like, it was nice talking to you.
7 small talk tools, ready to use anywhere.
The bus stop, the office, the coffee shop.
Even the elevator.
Always the elevator with you.
It changed my life, Eliza.
Okay, everyone, tell us in the comments what is your favorite small talk topic? Weather, food, hobbies?
Or tell us your most awkward silent moment. We know I have one.
We really want to hear your stories.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe for more easy, real English lessons every week.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Go start a small conversation today, even a tiny one.
Even in an elevator.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.